Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update as to what's going on. I am out here today and this is the car right here. I mean, the car is sitting. Unfortunately, I can't do nothing about it, but right now I'm just waiting for parts. I mean, that's the biggest thing for me. I ordered the skunk tube rods and I'm waiting for the main and king bearings, which I ordered this morning. I have the head bolts, I have the head gasket, and I'm just doing a little bit of research as what it is I should buy afterwards. That's where I'm at right now. The upside is that, hey, I mean, it's moving along. At least I'm getting the parts done. I want to pick up a clutch as well. I want to get some stuff ready to just turbocharge the car one time. So I figured do those stuff as I go along. With that being said though, I am legitimately on a budget. And I am mapping out money every paycheck and I'm putting towards it because I kind of want to show you guys how it feels when you don't have that money up front and you're working on it and you're trying to take it and move along slowly and surely, but you still got to fix it. So you take that time, you take the money out, you budget it, you don't put yourself in any more debt to work on your car. Just take your time. Also, I have wheels downstairs that I need to situate, and I have coilovers and a shift knob, which I had bought prior to the car being down. That's also there too. But the main thing is that I kind of want you guys to get an idea and a sense of what it is to do it, both on a budget and on your own. I've been doing a lot of research. I mean, I am not a mechanic in any way, shape, or form, but I have been working on my cars as I had them. And to me, however, it's legitimately a new thing, and I have never, ever tried this before. So I'm telling you this right now, I am somebody who has never tried this before, and I'm gonna get it done. And that means if I can do it, you guys can do it too. The whole plan for this channel and this video really is to motivate everyone else to get out there and to chase your dreams and to do it. So another thing is that the bro Adam has some parts for his car, so I wanna do his... NANI? I don't wanna actually do his car, I wanna help him fix his car. That was funny though. So I'm gonna help him fix his car, and I am going to help him put some parts on so he can get his car to stage 2. I am also going to start doing some car reviews. I don't know, I kind of want to show the world what the New York car scene is about, and I need you guys' help. I want you guys to help me show the world what New York car scene is about, and I want to review as many cars as I can, for free of course, no charge. This is simply just to get you guys and cars out there. And I just miss driving my baby though. I mean, that's the biggest truth to it all. I just miss driving my baby. But like I said, I have a few things coming, so stay tuned. I want you guys to quickly like this video if you want to keep the updates going. I want you to subscribe to this channel, and I also want you to add and follow me on Instagram, because the support from you guys is the best thing ever. And what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna move forward every single day and make success contagious. Meaning, do hard, work hard, and inspire others to do the same through your own actions. Peace and have a good one, man. Bye. I love it. Also, don't forget to comment. Please don't forget to comment. Comments, I read every single one as quick as I can, so don't forget to comment.